Exploring the enchantment of New Mexico, USA. Welcome to the captivating state of New Mexico, where history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes intertwine. In this crash course, we will delve into the geography, capital, population, economy, education, brief history, cultures, and politics of New Mexico. We will also share fascinating stories and examples that showcase the state's unique character. Additionally, we will unveil the top 12 attractions that highlight the beauty and allure of New Mexico. Finally, we will conclude with a captivating poem or song that captures the essence of this enchanting state. 1. Geography and location. New Mexico is located in the southwestern region of the United States, bordered by Texas, Oklahoma, Colorado, Arizona, and Mexico. The state boasts diverse landscapes, including mountains, deserts, and mesas, offering a playground for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. 2. Capital and population. The capital of New Mexico is Santa Fe, a city known for its rich artistic heritage, adobe architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. With a population of approximately 85,000, Santa Fe is a thriving hub of artistic expression and southwestern charm. 3. Economy. New Mexico's economy relies on various sectors, including oil and gas, tourism, agriculture, and technology. The state's rich cultural heritage, unique landscapes, and historical sites attract tourists from around the world, contributing significantly to its economy. 4. Education. New Mexico is home to several esteemed universities and research institutions, including the University of New Mexico and New Mexico State University. These institutions provide a wide range of educational opportunities and contribute to advancements in various fields. 5. Brief history. New Mexico has a captivating history influenced by Native American civilizations, Spanish explorers, and Mexican settlers. The region's rich cultural heritage is evident in its architecture, art, and traditions. New Mexico became a U.S. territory in 1848 and achieved statehood in 1912. 6. Cultures. New Mexico's cultures are a vibrant blend of Native American, Hispanic, and Anglo influences. The state's multicultural heritage is celebrated through traditional dances, colorful festivals, and mouth-watering cuisine, such as New Mexican green chili dishes and traditional Native American fry bread. 7. Politics. New Mexico's political landscape is diverse, reflecting a mix of conservative, liberal, and independent viewpoints. The state plays a significant role in national politics, particularly concerning issues related to the environment, immigration, and Native American rights. Interesting stories and examples. The Taos Pueblo. This ancient Native American community in Taos is one of the oldest continuously inhabited settlements in the United States. Its multi-story adobe buildings and rich traditions offer a glimpse into centuries-old customs and way of life. Carlsbad Caverns. Located in southeastern New Mexico, Carlsbad Caverns National Park showcases a network of breathtaking caves adorned with unique formations. Witnessing the spectacle of stalactites and stalagmites is an unforgettable experience. Top 12 attractions in New Mexico. 1. Santa Fe Plaza. 2. Taos Pueblo. 3. Carlsbad Caverns National Park. 4. White Sands National Park. 5. Bandelier National Monument. 6. Chaco Culture National Historical Park. 7. Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. 8. Georgia O'Keeffe Museum. 9. Rio Grande Gorge Bridge. 10. Ghost Ranch. 11. Palace of the Governors. 12. Gila Cliff Dwellings National Monument. Summary. New Mexico, with its captivating landscapes, rich history, diverse cultures, and thriving art scene, offers a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors. From the adobe structures of Santa Fe to the mesmerizing caves of Carlsbad Caverns, the state's natural wonders and cultural treasures are bound to leave a lasting impression. Poem. In New Mexico's enchanting land, where history and cultures blend, from Santa Fe's adobe grace to Carlsbad's cavernous embrace, native tribes and ancient tales. In Taos, their spirit never pales. Carved by time, the landscapes stand. White sands, a desert's shifting sand. Chaco Canyon's ancient lore. Bandoleers' dwellings to explore. Hot air balloons fill the sky. Albuquerque's spectacle draws the eye. In Georgia, O'Keeffe's painted hues. Nature's beauty finds its muse. Rio Grande's bridge spans the divide, a symbol of unity, far and wide. Ghost Ranch, a haven for the soul. Palace of the Governors, stories untold. Gila Cliff Dwellings, history's keep. New Mexico's treasures run deep. As sunsets paint the desert sky, New Mexico's magic catches the eye. A land of wonders, both old and new. In every corner, there's something to pursue. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.